Hi friends, welcome to one another session of mathematics tricks. In this session is trick number 17. Yes, you are remember to me, very nice. In this session today I am going to explain number system, how to solve the simplify the questions. It can be useful for many entrance exams. You know very well how to solve in fraction of second. That is important. That is also nothing but speed calculation, smart calculation. In that way, we are going to discuss here two models are there. Each model three questions. In that first question for you, dear friend, yes, unit digit place concept I am going to explain today. Unit place concept. Yes, 5368, 2158 minus 596 minus of which we don't know this value. Now 5421 plus 1268 equals to your answers here there. What is your answer? When I am reading that how many seconds we have taken, no, that many seconds only we have to give the answer. We have to say the answer after seeing our technique. My request, our tagline, yes, you have to watch the video till end. Then you can get the perfection. In this way, first general method is, you know what is the general method, dear friends? Yes. Sum of these two and subtract of this one and transfer to right side, we will get the sum of these two, we should get the answer. This is the process is there. No need to that what process is better. Just the technique. Only 5 seconds you see. What is the unit digit place value concept? Here 8 plus 8, here 6. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Unit digit is 3. Sum of unit digit 8 plus 8, 16. 16 minus 6, 10. Here anything is not there means x. So x equals to 10 minus 3, that equals 7. Here unit digit value 7, where it is there in option, that is your answer. Finish. Unit digit place is 8. Here 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 minus 6, 10. Here anything is not there means x. 10 minus x is equals. Here right side unit digit sum is 1 plus 2, 3. Now x equals to 10 minus 3, nothing but 7. Where is the in option? Where is the unit digits value 7 is there? That is your option. 247. Check your answer also. No doubt at all. Now let us see one more good question. Yes. Here unit some concept is what and a? What is concept? Keep in your mind. Yes. Sum of unit digit concept. Right? What is the 0 plus 5? 5. 5 minus 0. 5. 5 plus 8. 13. Clear? Unit place is what? 3 amma. Finish. Answer is completed. How it is easy? How much easy? You trust me, it can be useful for you. Now let us see one more good question. 85,793 plus 151 minus unknown number and 77,471. These are your options. Now here also we should follow the sum of unit digit concept. What are the unit digit, dear friends? 3 plus 1. Here anything is not there means we have to take before minus is there, minus you write as it is. Now here unit digit is 7. Right? 3 plus 1, 4 minus x equals 7. By using trial and error method, you should understand trial and error method. You have to go with trial and error method. If you want to get 7 means which number you have to take it here? 14 minus 7 equals to 7. 14 trial and error method. 14 minus x value, for suppose I am taking here 14 minus 7 equals 7. So what is the x value, dear friend, here? 7. Unit place is what? 7. Here unit place is what? 7. This is your answer. Simple. Once again I will tell you. Sum of these two, 4 minus x is equals to 7. If you go by using trial and error method, for example, x plus 3 equals to 8. What is x value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to substitute. Then 5 is fit for that. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now like that, if I want to get right side value 7 means I have to subtract x value 7 from 14. 14 minus 7 equals to 7. So x is, for suppose I am going to take the x value 7. This is equal to our unit digit 7 only. This is your answer. And dear friends, model number 2, you have to see one more such interesting questions for you. Let us see. Yes, dear friends, you have to observe model number 2. In model number 1, we have completed just now successfully unit digits concept. Here we are going to complete these questions. Actually, you should also observe your unit digit concept. If in any time it is not possible to get the answer, you go with model number 2. sum of the digits concept. Unit digit concept is not fit for these questions. Next rule is what? Next step is what? You have to go with sum of digit concept. We are getting the answer. In general method, it will take the time consumption process, but in tricky method, it will take fraction of second. We will get the answer. Let us see, my dear friends, these two questions here. Yes. Now unit digit sum concept 4 plus 5. Here very important note point I want to tell you. Yes, in this unit digit sum concept, you have to remember one important note, my dear friends. What is the important note? For example, when we are going to adding the numbers, we are getting 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. In that 9 you will get no. In that way, you can consider it is nothing but sum of the digits equals to 9. You can consider it is 0. If you take the 9 also, no problem. You will get the same answer. For example, 91, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 0, 1 only. 91, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 0, 1 only. Here only you can take 0. Here 91, you will only take the 0. 0 plus 1, 0 only. You will get the direct answer. For example, 199. Okay, then sum of the digits 19. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 0, 1 only. But when you are going to this technique, this concept, this note, here only 0, 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 only, right? Now come to the point. 4 plus 5, 9, it becomes to 0. Here 9 becomes to 0. 6 plus 3 also 9 becomes to 0. Somehow all the digits are 0, 0, 0 because 9, 9, 9 means 0, 0, 0. Next year also, here any 9s are there? 7. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 7 plus 2, nothing but 9 becomes to 0. 8 plus 0, 8 only. Now that is equals, anything is not there means x. Here 9 becomes to 0. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 18. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is nothing but 1 plus 8, nothing but 9. 9 is nothing but 0. Here 8 plus 0, 8 only. So x equals to what beta? 8. Where is the unit? The sum of the unit digits, sum of the digits are equals to 8. That is your answer. Now come to the options. 9, 9, 0, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 plus 7, 8. Finish. Answer is completed. Right. Now we check the remaining answers. Options are 4, 9, 9, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 6, 7. Not only for this 8. 4 plus 6, 10. Here 9, 0. 8 plus 1 also 9, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means 1. 9, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means 1. But which is equals to for here 8? First one is answer. Finish. Now let us see one more good question. 68% of 370. 24% of 410 is equals to minus x is equals to 118. You see this question how much is tough for you, but you follow my technique. I assure it. It can be satisfy your confidence. Let us see. Yes. Sum of the digits. Actually, we know, right? We have to write this process 68 by 100 into 370 plus 24 by 100 into 410. Am I right, dear friends? Now minus anything is not there means we can take that x here 1 1 here you have to write as it is. Now go with the sum of the digits concept. Here 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 8 14. Here 3 plus 7 10. 0 means 10 only. 1 plus 0 plus 0 1. 2 plus 4 6. 1 plus 0 plus 1 100 means 1 only. Now into 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5 only. Minus x, here 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10. Next you go 4 plus 1 5, here 1 plus 0 1, 6 into 5 minus x is equals to 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10 means 1 plus 0 1. 5 1 ja 5, 6 5 ja 30 minus x is equals to 1 30. Here 30 means 3 plus 3, here 8, x, 8 minus x is equals to 1, x equals to 8 minus 1, that is equals to 7. Sum of the digits equals to 7, your answer going to correct. Now let us go with check it, my dear friends, very easy. 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, not only, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 means 1, not only. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Finish. Completed. You see, this question you have to solve in general method. How much time you have taken? You have to take the watch, see the watch, and follow my our technique. Then you should get the perfect answer of this questions, my dear friends. Once I have to recap these answers, once you check it out. This model is to sum of the digits concept. When it is possible, rule 1, concept 1, case 1, method 1 is not possible, you can go with the sum of the digit concept. What are the sum of the digits? Here all the sums you have to add it, convert it to single digit. When you are going to do the sum, when the 9 will come, you can consider it as 0, because in 199 you should add, finally you are getting 1 only, no? Here only you have to go with 0, 0, you have to keep it here, consider it. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 only. Now you see, 4 plus 5, 9, 0. 6 plus 3, 9, 0, 9, 0. Clear. You should add all the things also, 9 will come, so you have to make it 0 only. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Now your x, anything is not there x. 3, here 9, 0. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 means 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 means 9. 9 also 0. Now x equals what? 8. The sum of the digits in option equals to 8. That is your answer. First one is fit for you. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 means nothing but 8. Here 9s will be there. You can consider 0. Your answer. 68. Right? 6 plus 8, 14. 3 plus 7, 10. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. Here 1 plus 4, 5. Single digit. 1 plus 0, 1. 6. 5. 6 5 is 30. Here 5 1 is 5, 30 means 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Here 1 plus 0, 10, 10, 10 means 1. 8 minus x equals 1, x equals 8 minus 1 equals to 7. Sum of that is equals 7, that is your answer. 4, 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 7. This is the way you have to solve the question, my dear friends. You take the challenging question, you observe any entrance, MTSC exam, banking exam, PO exam, whatever SI exam, constable, whatever it is. This kind of information will help to you, will give the confidence to you. My request is that please, you are the new person one watching this video, you have to subscribe it, and these videos you have to share to your family members, those who are participating, those who are ready to preparing for the entrance exam. You can send them, it can be helpful for you, because your success is our success. Till then, practice well. Thank you very much.